Oh! Oh! Okay. There you go. Yeah. Oh, glitching again? Really? Oh, no, it's okay. Let's play. Okay. I'll show you how it's done. Shh. Why do this? It's fun. Come on. Oh, come on. Okay. What the?
Will you marry me?
Alice, jeez. Was this all about a wedding? Are you out of your mind?
But I thought you wanted.
Not like this.
Come on, man. Oh gosh.
Alice. Honey. Please don't cry. I thought you loved it. Everything will be okay. You are all up here. I'm so sorry. Alice, please don't cry. Everything will be okay.
Ah, babe. Babe, listen. Listen. Guys. Babe, I love you so much. I wanted to do it first. Just, you bit me to it. So, will you marry me?
Yeah. Yeah, guys.
Oh, damn.
Guys, congrats!
Yeah, I can't believe it. Let's James, guys, I'm so happy to you. Till death do apart. Till death do apart, man.
Oh, finally.
Oh, darling.
Congrats.